Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Hotmail verification code not receiving issues in 2026. So if your security code is not arriving by email, SMS, or authentication app, yeah, this guide will walk you through the best fixes step by step. First, make sure your recovery email address or phone number is correct. Even a small typo can stop verification codes from arriving properly. Next, check your spam or junk folders. So sometimes verification emails are filtered automatically instead of appearing in the main inbox. Now wait a few minutes before requesting another code. I mean, sending too many requests quickly can temporarily delay delivery. If the problem continues, disable your VPN or browser extensions. Some security tools can interfere with Microsoft verification systems. So yeah, switch to another browser or mobile device and try again. Sometimes stored cookies or browser cache can block the verification process. If available, use an authentication app or backup recovery method instead of SMS. These options are usually faster and more reliable. And that's how to fix Hotmail verification code not receiving problems in 2026. Once your recovery settings and verification methods are working correctly, you should be able to receive codes without issues. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Hotmail and Outlook troubleshooting tutorials. Hey,